Getting started with PowerPoint. Explore the PowerPoint interface. A slide is an individual page of the presentation, though a term page is not appropriate to it since it's designed to be displayed on a computer screen or with a projector rather than printed. Presentation is a collection of one or more slides saved in a single data file. PowerPoint's interface is similar to Word and Excel. It has ribbon, office button, and a status bar. The default view is called Normal View, consists of panels, while the navigation pane is the bar along the left side. Thumbnail images of the slides appear here. Outline view shows a text outline instead of thumbnails in the navigation pane. To change view, use View tab. The Notes pane runs along the bottom of the screen. You can type your notes about the active slides. Don't worry, it doesn't show off screen. Work with PowerPoint files. When you start the PowerPoint application, a start screen will appear. So just press ESC or click the blank presentation to start a new presentation. You can save your files in this way. Choose the file you want to save, then click Save. Press the Control button, then click S button. Click the Save icon in the Quick Access toolbar. If you want to open a presentation file, you can choose the file you want to open and then click it twice. Then you will open the file that you wanted. You can also use one of the templates in the application. Just type in the search box the keyword that describes what you're looking for, then click your desired template to use it. Understanding PowerPoint views. In PowerPoint, it provides different kinds of views for you to work with. Moreover, each view is useful for a several set of activities. Now, let us proceed to the list. Normal view is the default and commonly used view. To choose between other views, just click one of the view buttons in the bottom right corner. In Outline view, you can view and edit text in slide placeholder. To use it, just click Choose View, click Presentation Views, then search and click the Outline View section. In Slide Sorter, you can view all the slides in the presentation in a glance, rearranging slide order. To use it, just click the button in the bottom right corner. Choose View, click Presentation Views, then search and click the Slide Sorter section. In Note page, you can edit the speaker notes for each slide. To use it, just choose Views, click Presentation Views, and then click Note Pages. In Reading view, you can show a presentation in a window. To use it, just click the button on the bottom right corner, click Presentation Views, and then click Reading View section. In Slideshow, you can show the presentation full screen. To use it, just click the button in the bottom right corner, Start Slide, Show from the beginning, or just press F5. In Slide Master, you can make a general changes that will affect all of the slides in presentation. To use it, just choose View, click Master Views, and then click Slide Master section. In Handout Master, you can change and affect the design of the handouts you print. To use it, just choose View, click Master Views, and then click Handout Master section. In Notes Master, you can make a change that will affect the design of the speaker note pages you print. To use it, just choose View, click Master Views, and then click Note Master section. Create new slides. Every presentation begins with a specific slide, the title slide. Moreover, you can add additional slides easily to the presentation in these ways. Select the slide that the new slide should come after and then click the home pane in the ribbon and proceed to click the new slide button. Remember, new slide button has two ways. It can either drop new blank slide upper side of the new slide button, or you can choose the layout of your new slide lower side of the new slide button. The presentation views in a normal view, click the slide that the new slide should come after. You can also have two ways in this part. You can press the Enter key on your keyboard to get a new slide automatically, or you can use your mouse and right-click the existing slide. After right-clicking it, when the new window appears, search the new slide section and click it once more to get a new slide. In the presentation views on Outline view, click the beginning slide or the title slide that the new one should come before, and press the Enter key in the keyboard to have a new next slide. To duplicate an existing slide, you can right-click your mouse and when the window appears, search Duplicate Slide section and click it. Use slide placeholders. The slide is the combination of one or more content placeholders. Moreover, a placeholder is a box in a slide wherein it is designed to hold the content, whether it is an online picture, chart, 3D model, and so on. Remember, placeholders help you placing the contents on an empty space rather manually putting each text, icons, pictures, and so on. If you want to add a text in the slide, just click the upper side of the slide that has a title on it or the text placeholder. If you want to add the content such as pictures, tables, charts, and so on, you can click the lower part of the slide in which we call content placeholder and tap the icon inside the blue lining in there that holds different kinds of content that may suit your PowerPoint slide. If you try to change the presentation's design, any content in the placeholder will automatically shifted and reformatted to match the new font and design layout. Turn text auto-fit off or on. To control whether the auto-fit is in effect in a specific text box, follow these steps. Right-click the text box and choose Format Shape from the menu that appears. In the Format Shape task pane, click Text option and then click Text box icon. In the Auto-Fit section, select Do Not Auto-Fit Radio button and then close the task pane. If you do not want to use auto-fit at all, you can turn it off generally with these steps. Choose File, then click Options. After clicking it, click Proofing on the left and then click the Autocorrect option buttons. It will open the Autocorrect dialog box. Click the Auto Format as you type tab. Then, in the Apply as you type section, deselect these following checkboxes: Auto-Fit Title Text to Placeholder and Auto-Fit Body Text to the Placeholder. Then click OK.
Change slide layouts. The title and the content layout is very versatile. You can place any one type of content in the slide in addition to a text title. To change slide layouts, follow these steps. First, we have to select the slide which you want to change. So we have to select and I click this one. Now we have to click Home and Layouts. And these are the available layouts. You have just to pick what layout you wanted to choose. Slide content. Each placeholder on the box of the slide is a separate object and can be moved or resized freely. To resize a box, select it and drag the selection handle just like this. You can make it bigger or make it smaller. Position the mouse pointer over the border of the box, but not over a selection handle. The mouse pointer change into four-headed arrow, just like this. And then click and drag the box to a new location, just like this. The next one is to manually place text box. shortcuts depend on whether you're editing a text box or navigating a presentation. These are the navigation keyboard shortcuts. For the PowerPoint text box, these are those. And for the PowerPoint presentation, these are those. So let's navigate the text box. Arrow down, arrow left, right. You can also do the shift, the tab, and we can use the tab. The next one is to select content. To select text in PowerPoint, you can either drag the mouse, pointer across it, just like this. Wait, some changes. Again, drag it. Or we can click where we want to start and hold down Shift as we press the arrow keys to extend the selection. There you go, just like this. And we can use Control plus A to select all the text. That's it.
Understand and apply themes and variants. A theme is a design set that you apply to a PowerPoint presentation, including background, color scheme, and fonts. You can choose any themes and designs that you want in this page. Also, you can press the down button for more design of themes that you can apply in this PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint presentation has variant for a theme. A variant is an alternative version of a theme. A variant may be include different background, different colors, and different accent graphics. You can choose whatever themes that you want and also have different variants that can fit into a PowerPoint presentation. Change the presentation's color. Each theme can be applied in a variety of color combinations, so you don't have to choose between a theme that has the right style and one that has the right color. If you want to change the color, click the Design tab and click More button in the Variants group, and then point to colors and click the color combination that you want.
Inserting a picture. See the figure on the screen. To insert the picture into the layout placeholder, click the picture icon on the placeholder. In the Insert Picture dialog box that appears, select the picture you want to insert and change the location if needed. Step 3. Click Insert. The picture appears on the slide. A slide design ideas pane may pop up on the right after you insert a picture. You can click one of the layout thumbnail in this pane to switch the slide to the layout. You can also ignore the suggestions and close the pane by clicking its close X button. Step 4. Move or resize the image as desired. To move the image, drag it by its center. To resize the image, drag a selection handle around it. Click the stock images icon in the content placeholder on the slide. If you want to use a placeholder or to insert a free floating screen, choose the Insert to Images to Pictures, then Stock Images. Step 2. In the search box, in the text box at the top, type one or more keywords that define what are you looking for. Step 3. Scroll through the images and select the ones you want. And lastly, click Insert. Follow these steps to create a photo album. Step 1. Choose Insert. From Insert to Images to Photo Album. The Photo Album dialog box open. Step 2. Click the File Disk button. The Insert New Pictures dialog box open. Step 3. Select the picture you want to include. To select more than one picture at a time, hold down the Ctrl key while you click each one. Step 4. Click Insert the pictures to select appear in the pictures in the album. In the album, list of the photo, the album dialog box. Lastly, in the album layout section of the photo album dialog box, select the following option: picture layout, to choose how many pictures you want per slide; frame shape, to choose a frame shape style for each photo; theme, it is an optional. Click the browse button and then select a presentation theme to apply to the photo album. And the final step, click the create button. A new presentation is created using your photos.
Chapter 16. Adding movement and sound. In this chapter, we will show you how to create animation and transition effects on slides. Animate objects on slide. You can use animation in PowerPoint to add more visual interest to the presentation. To do that, first, select the object to be animated. In Animation tab, click more arrow to open different animation choices. Choose your preferred effects, then click Effect Option button to control the entrance of effects. You can also change the duration and delay of effects by clicking the timing. And lastly, for better controls, click the animation pane so that you can choose your preferred effect sequence. Add slide transition. To add slide transition, click the Transition tab, then click one of the transition effects. Select your preferred effects to apply it directly to the slides. You can also click the effects options to have more controls in transition.
Set slides to automatically advance. By default, slides transition from one to another on a mouse click, not automatically. Set the delay for advancing to the next slide and select the checkbox for automatically advance. If you want the slideshow to progress automatically with a certain amount of pause, with Next, on the Transition tab, select the After checkbox and then enter a number of seconds. Add musical soundtrack. As your presentation plays, you might have music in the background. Click here to set the inserted audio clip as soundtrack. Musical soundtrack work best for self-running presentation and PowerPoint enables you to specify a digital audio track. As an MP3 file on the PC that being used to show the presentation and play it in a synchronization with the presentation.
In this chapter, we're going to focus upon presenting the show. The whole point of a PowerPoint presentation is to deliver a show to an audience. But first, let's display a slideshow on screen. A slideshow view is the view that you use when showing the presentation to others, and methods of entering a slideshow view was shown on the screen. Next, here's how to jump to specific slide. Right-click to display a shortcut menu and choose See All Slides, or press the G key. We would also like to show you how to end the show. Here's how. Now, let us use the slideshow tools. Here we have a very faint set of buttons appears in the lower left corner. These buttons are Previous, Next, Pen, See All Slides, Zoom, Subtitles, and Options. These buttons are important because when one method is disabled, you might need to rely on another method to do what needs to be done. Going through, let us print copies of a presentation. We have choices of the type of printout you might want: full page slides, notes pages, outline view, and handouts. Just follow these steps. Now, package a presentation for distribution. I'm gonna show you how to pack a presentation to a CD. Click File, then click Export, then Package Presentation for CD and Package for CD. There, the Package for CD dialog box opens. Afterwards, follow these steps. On the other hand, here's how to pack a PowerPoint presentation if you want to copy the files to a folder. Using the same previous steps are what we do, which are shown on the screen. Click File, then click Export, Package Presentation for CD, then Package for CD. The Package for CD dialog box opens.